Hi, my name is Curt Davis, Director of Marketing and Product Management with Kuhn Krause. We're talking today a little bit about strip till with the STD Pro 2 row unit. The STD Pro 2 row unit features a 24-inch coulter at the front of the machine, independently mounted, along with floating row cleaners that move that residue out of the way once it's been cut by that big coulter. Those move independently of the rest of the row frame that has the shank attached, where we can easily adjust that shank up or down in the range of 6 to 12 inches. We also have the ability to make quick adjustments with the row unit, angling blades for building berms, but also we definitely have the ability to adjust fertilizer independent of the shank depth of the machine. A unique feature with liquid or dry fertilizer that's available on the Gladiator. But one of the things that customers like most about the machine is just the ease of adjustment. How easy it is to adjust the angle of the blades and adjust position of the floating mechanism of these blades. That's one of the features that customers really like: ease of adjustment and no daily maintenance. There's no grease zerks on the row unit. We use polylube bushings in a lot of the pivot areas, and that really keeps customers operating on a continuous basis. One of the new features that we have is the air diffuser for dry fertilizer with the new stainless steel tube that supports all of this mechanism, and then also integrates the blockage sensor, the wireless blockage sensor that we have to notify customers if there's ever a blockage in the flow of the dry fertilizer. This top tube then releases the exhaust and pushes the dust and exhaust back down to the top of the strip. And then finally the striker conditioning reel conditions that reel, conforms to the berm, and really sets up a good condition for seed bed. So the Gladiator is available in a lot of different configurations, from pull type to 3-point, with dry fertilizer like the 9-ton twin bin system that we utilize from Montag. Gives you a lot of variable rate control, 2 different products applied at the same time. And we do have liquid systems available as well for the Gladiator for different types of fertilizers. We can put down dry, liquid, or even anhydrous, and 2 products simultaneously if needed. There's a lot of debate on whether strip till is done in the fall or spring, but what we find a lot of times is shank machines typically run in the fall where there's a high clay content, and that really sets up the best case scenario for fall time application and applying fertilizer and creating strips in the fall. Sometimes when you get into situations where there's more sandy soil, you do have the flexibility of doing some strips in the springtime of the year. But ultimately, the thing you want to do is maintain a good seed bed and strip, and make sure you have a good berm height. That's something that the Gladiator does extremely well, but then be able to apply that fertilizer and even do some rate reduction. And that's a big cost and impact on the economics of the farm, to be able to reduce one of the biggest input costs for the farming operation. For more information on the Gladiator or the other strip till systems, please visit us at kuhn.com.